Good morning, it is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market opens up here in less than a minute, so let's see what happens. All right, watching Netflix here. Thinking it might want to go up over 100. I'm not quite convinced though, but I am keeping an eye on it. This will be just a quick scalp. Nope, missed it. So all out there, had to hop out just because I missed it and I got filled, and that was not the plan. As you saw, I was not quick enough to get down there and cancel it, but didn't want to get greedy, so I just hopped right out. I did make $25 on it, but and I realized that it is now going in my favor. However, my plan was to get in when I originally got in, not on the back test. So because that was not my plan, I needed to just get out. And yes, again, I realized that, hey, it would have worked out anyways, but that's not the point. The point is, plan the trade and follow whatever that plan is. And things went a little bit haywire, and that's why I just hopped out. So let's see what else is out there. Okay, I have a fishing order out there on HRTX 2375, just 500 shares. So an introductory order on that one, just to kind of enter into the position. We'll see if it can get down there and even test 24, let alone break it. But let's see what else I can find. Okay, I have an order out for 500 shares of HOG, Harley Davidson here at 45.50. Again, just an introductory type position. So it shot down as low as 45.55. So I'll leave that order out there a little bit longer. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause it. All right, have an order in a short, just 100 shares at 139.75. A stop loss, I'm risking about 6 cents, so about $6 on this one. So we'll see if it can bounce up enough to fill me. Why just 100 shares? Well, it's a higher price stock, so I want to kind of keep risk under control from that perspective, and it can move very quickly. So so let's see if it can bounce up there or not. It's a high risk play in terms of high risk that I get stopped out, but it's very low risk in the sense of, well, it's only going to be about probably $6 to $10 because I may not get stopped out right where I want to. So let's see if it can get up there or not. So odds are I get stopped out. However, if the odds are in my favor and actually go with me, then I can make a whole lot more than just $6. So that's kind of the setup here that I'm banking on. So let's see if it can get up there or not. Well, it's gotten close. And there it goes, moving back. So that was what I was looking for. Didn't work. Let's move on and find something else. All right, looking for 500 shares here. Netflix 97.65. I need a big quick move if it does break down through 98. So we'll see if it can push down through there or not. All right, I see other stocks moving, so I'm going to go check those ones out. All right, got an order in at Netflix 97.25. Let's see if it can pull down there some more, get a bit more overextended. So I'd like to at least try to capture the 97.50 break if that does indeed fall. Have an order out there on HOG, as you can see. So a couple fishing orders. So I'm actively seeking, just waiting for some nibbles. So I will pause it and come back. All right, I am, oh shoot. I do want in here. All right, luck maybe is on my side. There we go. So I wanted some shares at 47.80, but I accidentally canceled the wrong one and came back. So that allowed me to get some shares there at 47.70 instead. So there's a quick $50 right there. But I want to come back in for more if they want to give me more. So I'll go 44.50 now. So, all right, luck was on my side there. So let's see what else I can find. Okay, I have an order at 44.25 HOG once again. Let's see if it can break through 44.50. Now it's bouncing a little bit from there, so maybe not. So, all right. All right, looks like it wants to give the 44.50 another try. But now that I'm recording, it'll probably bounce. So there it goes. Pretty typical. All right. I'll just wait until it actually breaks. Have an introductory order in a short 35.15 here on VRX. So first step is going to needs to break through 35. We'll see if that happens. I haven't been having a very good day video-wise in terms of capturing breaks of, the numbers that I'm talking about. So let's see if we can actually capture this one on video. There's the break. So again, 35.15 is my entry point. Oh, come on, don't give me a partial. There we go. So like I said, this is just my introductory order. If it wants to give me a quick 10 cents, I'll take it. But if not, I'd like to build a bigger position in this. So let's see what happens here. Again, I kind of picture this as me walking down the sidewalk, and if I were to look down and see a $50 bill, and it's going to take me, I don't know, let's just say in this case, how long did that take? For 30 seconds, 45 seconds. If it's going to take me 30 seconds or 45 seconds to bend down and pick up a $50 bill, I'm going to do that all day long. So I took it right there. My goal was to build a bigger position, but like I said, I like to bend down and pick up $50 bills if they're just sitting there on the street. So I picked up that $50 bill. Let's see if I can find a couple more $50 bills out there. It is now 30 minutes into the day. So, I'm not happy with my trading, but I mean, it's not like it's been a train wreck. It just kind of can't quite get entries. And, not the best morning, but I mean, it's not like it's a terrible morning at all. 30 minutes, up 125. I'm not greedy. I'm happy with that. But let's see if we can capture a couple more trades. All right, this is going to sound like the weirdest excuse. I don't blame you at all if you don't trust me, but I think the last update was at 10 o'clock. It's now 10:20. And I watched Cabela's, which got halted for a couple minutes, but then, it just wasn't trading right. But besides then, I've actually been talking, just doing other business about cows, because I have invested in some cows. And if you don't believe me, like I said, I understand. I'll actually put a link in the description below to my Instagram account showing a picture of these cows, so you know that there is actually, like, it's legit. Like, I promise this is not some, let's see, what kind of excuse can I make? Just, I literally was taken away. So I haven't really been trading or anything, but I'm just going to wrap it up now because it's going on about 10:30, and I have some other things I need to do on the day. So I did close just final at 125. I figure I should probably show the screen right there just to make sure that everybody can see that, nothing has changed. So right there. So I guess if anything, lesson learned to learn is, you don't need huge scores. Just follow your trade plans, and, hitting a bunch of singles do add up. And here actually is, I just brought my Instagram for it. Here are the cows right here. So yes, I do invest in cows along with the real estate and do trade. So that's where I was the past 20 minutes. And when I was like, people, I have no problem believing. Yeah, I went and talked to my wife, or went and hung out with my kid for a little bit. But yeah, I was talking to the farmer about the cows I invest in. That sounded kind of a little shady. So anyways, those are the cows. Now that I promise that was not some just made up excuse. Anyways, so the big question I get, and I'm sure I will get asked, which is why I'm trying to be a little proactive here, and it's rightfully so. I mean, it's a very logical question, is, hey, Clay, how are you finding these setups? How did you find these stocks today to trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate these setups that I find, profitable potential in. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there and I will send you a copy of the guide. Very short, very to the point. So by no means are you gonna have to spend hours and hours reading through a bunch of chapters or anything. It's a one-page thing. I put it together with time efficiency in mind, because I do realize everybody's time is precious. So I kind of just get right to the point. And like I said, it's totally free. So it's a good risk versus reward. Risk is it's totally worthless to you, but oh well, it maybe takes 5-10 minutes of your time. But the reward portion, hey, it could really help you out. So Like I said, if you're interested, just click there and I will send it to you. So thank you for watching, and everybody stay out there, get out there, trade without emotion.